Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In our previous video we have seen how to create a React application and the folder structure of React. So in this video we are going to see about components in React. So React is a component based architecture and we can say that components are the building blocks of a React application. So React is all about components itself. So by using these components we can break a larger application and a complex application into smaller parts. So if you take an example here, we have an application which consists of header, body, summary, comment, side now. So what we'll do is we will create a separate component for header and separate component for summary and comments component, body component and side now component like this. And what we'll do is we will integrate these all components into a single component, or we can nest this into our root component. In our case it is app component. And the components are reusable. So if you take an example, if I am doing any reports application, I have to use multiple tables. So for that I will create a separate component for table and I will reuse the table anywhere in our application. And if you take an example here, I have two side nows here. I will create a single side now component and I will reuse that as a left side now component as well as right side now component. In this way we can reuse these components. And next one is the component contains other components. So if you take an example here, all these components are inside this app component. So we can say that the components contains other components as well. So basically we will use these components to reduce the complexity of the application and reuse that code or logic anywhere if we want. And coming to the types of components, we have two types of components. One is class component and another one is functional component. So we will see what is meant by class component and functional component, and we will see the difference between them and see how to write the code for them practically in our upcoming videos. So this is the end of this tutorial, and thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.